Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello everyone, this video is an introduction to fractions. Fractions, what is the meaning? What are fractions? Actually, fractions are part numbers, or we can say they are part of a whole thing. What is the meaning part numbers? Part of a whole thing, what it means, we can understand this with the help of these pictures. Look at the first picture. We can see a circle cut into two parts and one part is shaded. So we can see how many parts shaded? One part. Total how many parts? Two parts. So we can write this as part number 1/2. That means half of its portion colored. The next circle we can see cut into four parts. And how many colored or shaded? 3 parts. So we get a part number 3/4. Next, you can see the circle cut into 8 equal parts. So we can write 8 as a down number, and up we can write how many shaded? 4 shaded. So we get part number 4/8. Now you can see a part number 3/4. Can you use this picture to show this 3/4? What is the meaning the down number 4? That means 4 equal parts. And what is 3? The up number means color or select a 3 parts from here. You can select any 3 parts. See, I am selecting 3 parts. Cut into 4 parts, 4 equal parts, that is down number. How many we are shading? That is up number. So down number we can say it gives total how many equal parts. And above number, this will give the idea that how many are shaded or selected. And in every picture, not completely shaded, only a part of that shaded. You can see in this picture 2 parts and 1 part is shaded. How to write as a part number 1/2? Is this correct? No. What is the reason? Because see, the parts are not equal. If we want to write a part number, we have to get the picture or the thing equally divided, cut into equal parts. Then we can write the down number, total how many equal parts, and the up number we can write how many are shaded or selected. So this is very important. If we write as a fraction or part number, the parts must be equally divided. Now we understand what is the meaning part of a whole thing. And here we write part means the total part number we write as a down number, and up number we write how many are shaded or we are selecting. That means there will be 2 numbers in every part number. One number above the line and one number below the line. The above number is called numerator and the line is known as fraction line, and below the line we can see the number, its name is denominator. So every fraction we can see 2 numbers. Up number is numerator and the down number is denominator. Let's see some fractions. You can see some fractions over here. 1/2. 1 is numerator and 2 denominator. Next one, 3/4. What is numerator? What is denominator? Yes, 3 numerator, 4 denominator. Also we can say what are the numerators and denominators for the fraction 8/3, 25/14, 6/9, etc. In a fraction, if numerator and denominator are same numbers, then it is equal to 1. See the examples. 3/3 equals 1, 5/5 equals 1. All this type of fractions equals 1. Next we look how many types of fractions are there. There are 3 types of fractions. Look at the examples of fractions. Here we can see the first 2 fractions, 1/2 and 3/4. Also the last one, 6/9. When we look, we can see the numerators are small numbers compared to denominator. So there we get the first type and the name proper fractions. What is the meaning? Proper fractions. Proper fractions are fractions with the numerators are less than denominators, corresponding denominators. So we can say in a fraction, if numerator is smaller than denominator or less than the denominator, such fractions are called proper fractions. Examples: 1 over 2. You can see 1 is small number compared to the denominator 2. And many examples we can write. Here 1 over 2, 3 over 4, because 3 and 4, you can see they are comparatively numerator small, denominator big. 100 over 273, like this type of numbers. Next, opposite. That means if the denominator is small number and the numerator is a larger number, then what's the name of the fractions? See here, you can see the numerators are larger numbers than denominator. This type of fractions are called improper fractions. What are improper fractions? When we see a fraction with the numerator is greater than its denominator, we say such fraction is called improper fraction. If numerator is larger than or greater than its denominator, then such fractions are called improper fractions. We can write many examples. Take a larger number and keep it in the numerator side and write a comparatively small number as its denominator. Here example 8 over 3. You can see 8 larger number than 3. 25 over 14. Also we can write 147 over 20. All these numbers numerators larger than its denominators. Third type is known as mixed fractions. Here the name itself says it is mixing with something. Here we can see in mixed fraction a number is mixed with a proper fraction. That means here we can see a number and a proper fraction together in mixed fractions. Examples: 3 and 1 over 2. 3 is the number part, 1 over 2 is its fraction part. 8 and 4 over 7. Next one, 25 and 3 over 8. All these are examples of mixed fractions. So what we have discussed here? We discussed how many types of fractions are there. How many types? There are 3 types of fractions. What is the first one? First one is proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? We studied that numerator is smaller than its denominator. And the second type, opposite, that is improper fraction. Here we could see numerator is a larger number than its denominator. And the third type is mixed fraction, or we can say mixed number also. Here a number is mixed with proper fraction. We can change every improper fraction as a mixed fraction. That means there is a connection between improper fraction and mixed fraction. Every improper we can change to mixed fraction. Also the opposite we can do. That means if we get a mixed fraction, we could change as an improper fraction. We are going to practice that. How to convert or change an improper fraction to mixed fraction and the opposite, mixed fraction to improper. Start with an improper fraction. How can we change to a mixed fraction? Let's start with an improper fraction. Here I am taking first one as 8 over 3. What is the meaning 8 over 3? It means take 8 and divide by 3. Okay, let's divide. Take 8, divide by 3. How many times 3 goes? 2 times. 2 times 3, 6. What is the balance or remainder? We get 2. Okay, finish division. Now we are going to write as mixed number. See the quotient, it is 2. We will start with that number, 2. That is the number part. Okay, and now the next number is 2. That will be the numerator and 3 the denominator. Left side and right side we can see the fraction with the same denominator. So 2 numerator, and then 3 denominator, and quotient is the number part. Next example, 12 over 8. Take 12, divide by 8. We can divide with 8. We know how many times it goes, just one time. 1 times 8, 8. And the balance is 4. And what is the answer? We get 1. So we write or start with 1. And that is the number part. Next is fraction. So the denominator same 8. And what is the numerator? Numerator is 4. So we get 4 over 8. When we look at this fraction 4 over 8, we can see a common factor in the numerator and denominator. What is that? It is, if we want, we can cut with the 2, or you can directly cancel 4 because the common factor or common number is 4. See, I am using, first I cancel with the 2, again cancel with the 2. So totally I cancelled by 4. Then we get in the numerator 1 and the denominator side it is 2. So the mixed fraction we can write 1 and 1 over 2. 4 over 8 we have changed as 1 over 2. So the mixed fraction 1 and 1 over 2. One more example we could see. This time we are taking 23 over 5. Take 23, divide by 5. How many times we know? It is just 4 times. 4 times 5, 20. Balance is 3. How to write the mixed number? Where to start with? We will start with the quotient. What is that? 4. Then what is the fraction? Fraction, numerator is 3 and the denominator is 5. Here we are going to practice the opposite. If we get a mixed number, how to convert it as an improper fraction. So this we are going to practice over here. We will take some mixed numbers and convert to their improper fractions. First one is 4 and 1 over 3. What is an improper fraction? It has numerator part and denominator part. Now what is denominator? Easily we can write the same denominator on the left side, that is 3. Now start from 3. Then 3 and the next number 4 we multiply. 3 times 4. The answer we do plus with the numerator. So 12 plus 1, 13 we get. The improper fraction is 13 over 3. Next is 2 and 4 over 7. We can write the denominator first and then start from the denominator. Okay, 7 we write first. How to do this? 7 we multiply with 2. 7 times 2, 14. And then we do plus with the numerator. 14 plus 4, 18. 7 times 2 plus 4. Next mixed fraction is 3 and a 7 over 9. Where to start? We will start with the denominator. Write the denominator same. And what is that? It is 9. Okay, we write that first. What next? 9 multiply with 3. 9 times 3, 27. And then answer plus 7. 27 plus 7 is 34. 9 times 3 plus 7. See, here I am giving some questions for you to do practice. What all things we have discussed over here in this video, I have prepared some questions from those topics. And if you cannot answer any question or if you have a doubt, please comment under my video so that I can answer and I can help you. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. See you with more useful videos. Thank you.